What's up, everybody? Thanks for checking out Overguts Lifestyle. If you see my last video, you've been tracking my travels. You can obviously tell that I'm not in Patagonia anymore. There's actual sunlight, there's greenery, there's no wind, I'm not in a sweater. I've actually left there. I spent a few days in Bariloche. Camera wasn't working, wasn't able to get any video footage of there, unfortunately. But I'm back into Latin America. I mean, Patagonia just feels very barren and it's very remote, and that's one of the things that makes it so beautiful and gives it such a cool feel when you're there. But it doesn't feel like Latin America, it feels like Europe or Canada. And here, definitely back into that feel. It's really hot, nice beautiful trees, Latin architecture. This is the city of Mendoza, so really happy to be here, show you guys around not just the city, but also kind of the wine areas and things like that, as I'll be here for a couple of days. Off to San Luis or Cordoba, not sure. Make sure to subscribe, show you guys around, and we'll go from there.